Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. So, how about this one for a cracker? This one is the Siberian Blue Robin. And this is the male. How about that one for striking colours? Pretty cool, no? The Siberian Blue Robin is a winter visitor here. And remember, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Although here in Thailand, as it's a non-breeding winter visitor, we don't really hear the song. Just a few clicks and a little high-pitched peeps. This bird you see here is also a male, but this one is a juvenile, is probably a first winter male. So you can see the blue is starting to come through, but still doesn't quite have that striking plumage. As per usual, this video was taken at one of the hides just outside Kaeng Krachan. And as I've said before, if you'd like to join me, just drop me a line. Some fantastic birds here. The third bird you see here, this one is the female, much drabber in colour, just the tawny brown colour. Unusually, these birds were quite easy this time to photograph and to video. Usually, they just won't keep still, bobbing their tails and flitting around. Usually very difficult to photograph, let alone to video. Anyway, we'll finish up with some more views of this impressive looking male bird. Really striking, this one. So that's just about it for this one. Siberian Blue Robin, male, first year or first winter juvenile, and the female. As always, if you like these little videos, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. hit that subscribe button, punch the bell, and you'll see more of these fantastic birds. Anyway, that's it for now. See you on the next one. Bye for now.